Hey, what is up guys, FZM here. I've got the Special Edition Razer Phone versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. It's a clash of the titans here, two huge smartphones, both which are exceptionally well equipped with their own unique attributes and selling points. So, who are you backing in this performance speed test? Let's get down to business. I'll kick things off with the boot up test. Let's go. And the Note 8 beating the Razer Phone here when it comes to powering up first, and we see the Razer Phone with some network bloat slightly slowing it down. And now the Razer Phone just coming on, Android is starting. Okay, the next test, which phone can load the apps the fastest? Let's go. Right, let's begin with the first app, Play Store. Equal times. YouTube. A little bit quicker on the Razer Phone. Let's try Chrome. Again, Razer Phone. Okay, let's go into Snapchat. Slightly ahead by half a second for the Razer Phone. Let's go into Instagram. Equal times, but the reload of the app was faster for the Note 8. We'll move into the camera. Roughly about the same. Okay, let's try the next app, which is first game. Let's go into Temple Run 2. And wow, the Razer Phone being very fast. Now, the Note 8, I've tested it many times. It's a very, very quick phone, but to come out ahead here definitely shows how fast the Razer Phone is. Let's play it, leave it in the background. Right, let's go into Subway Surfers. Let's see if the Razer Phone can continue. They look to be the same. Ooh, and the Note 8 just comes out a little bit faster here. So, guys, two amazingly fast devices. So this is a really good speed test. Okay, let's go into Netflix. And again, just ahead for the Razer Phone. Twitch. Again, just half a second. No differences on those apps. It's the high intensity apps that we like to check out the most. So for Mixer, leading the way is the Razer Phone. Okay, Mario Run. Now these are the games that we like to test. So the Note 8 coming out a little bit faster for the home screen. And yeah, redeeming itself, not bad at all. Let's go on to the next one, which is Boomerang. Let's test the responsiveness. And the Note 8 seems to be more responsive here. And speed test. Check the Wi-Fi. Let's bring up the server, about the same. I think the Note 8 was slightly quicker. 8-ball pool. And both loading. Bang on the same. Very, very quick phones. Shazam. About the same, but you know, the Razer Phone just a slightly quicker. Asphalt 8. And the Razer Phone beating the Note 8 just onto the loading screen. But who can bring up the game first? The Note 8 can. There's a surprise. There's definitely a surprise. Oh, and you can see there was a considerable lag here for the Razer Phone. Okay, let's move off Asphalt 8. That was a surprise. We'll move on to Angry Birds 2. And we see the Note 8 just logging in quicker. Wow, okay. Razer Phone just behind. Incredible. That's really, really quick. Amazing stuff by both phones. The Note 8 again just bringing up the game itself faster. Let's just get the game moving a little bit. Let me just do this. Come on, Razer Phone. There we are. And I just missed it. There we are. We'll put this in the background and we'll come back to it for the RAM management test, obviously. Right, let's go to play movies. And the Note 8 coming out faster here. Right, let's check out the multitasking. We've got 8 gigs of RAM on the Razer Phone, which is immense, and 6 gigs on the Note 8. Let's check it out. That's Mario Run. Ready to resume. Let's check out the next app. We'll go into Asphalt 8. Held as well. Now I expect a flawless run on both phones. There's no way a phone with 8 gigs of RAM should have any effect on RAM management, slowdowns or refreshes, so we'll find out. Okay, Temple Run 2, excellent. Ready to resume on both devices. Now obviously 8 gigs of RAM is overkill. I think 6 or 4 is sufficient. So Chrome's okay, but I guess the Razer phone company itself, Razer wanted to really impress, so Snapchat's all good. And the server's held for the speed test. Okay. And there we are. Subway Surfer's ready to go. Let's just have a little play here. Okay, that was a fail. Let's not do that again. Moving on. Netflix, fine. No refresh. And Twitch. It's all good. Okay, let's go to Mixer. Perfect. Next app, Boomerang. Photo's still there. And we go into 8-ball pool. Ready to resume. Fantastic. Okay, Shazam. Ready to get any music we want. Angry Birds 2. Essentially carrying on from where I played. Right, that's good. We'll go to the next one, which is Play Movies. So as I expected, it's doing what I said. No refreshes, no problems. Obviously the camera is just going to come on again. But there's no hiccups, there's no delays. Instagram, the feed, there we are. Just slightly faster reload times for the Razer phone. And Play Store, perfect. Let's go and close all and clear the apps. That was fantastic. Great job. Now, normally at this point I'd love to show the fingerprint sensor speed test, but since I was away for such a while, I've misplaced some of the Note 8 footage unfortunately. But with future videos, don't worry guys, I'll definitely show you how phones compare. So it's a first at the studio, a little blip here, so we're going to have to skip that one and move on to the final test. Let's reboot these phones and let's see which comes out the fastest here. And 3, 2, 1, go. Now, let me hear your thoughts on this matchup. Any Razer fanboys here with your super sharp 120Hz refresh rate display with killer speakers? Or are you loyal to Samsung, rocking the one and only Galaxy Note 8 and the S Pen? But yeah guys, as I said in my recent video, it's incredible to be back creating content. As you guys can imagine, I've got loads to compare here in my studio. So very busy times ahead, but I'm looking forward to it. So, between these two, which would you buy? Have a vote in the poll above. I'll be checking out your votes. Keep your comments and suggestions coming, I appreciate every single one of them. And it goes without saying, thank you so much for coming through again. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and as always guys, hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one.